welcome back to my vlog. Okay, welcome back to my vlog. I'm Lindy. This is Lindiorslife, and you're back for another one, babe. And today we're doing a 9 to 5 weekly reset. I have been, not doing the best, slacking a little bit this past week, mainly because working from home the past couple weeks. And I ain't got too much resetting to do. Like, I just clean. So I just felt like y'all don't just want to see me clean. Y'all want to see me do some fun stuff. So we do have a little bit of cleaning on the list, but not too much because I just cleaned up. But this week's 9 to 5 reset, we got to get groceries because we always got to get groceries. But I also really want to work on my planning. I think this year, with my word being like being more present, being more intentional, planning, I got to plan to the T. I have many planners. I just feel like I still need to amp it up. I'm studying for my architecture exams now. I really need a set schedule for that and not just like, oh, let me study today. Like, I need to be like, today I'm studying this. And I want to set all that up today. So we're going to be doing some planning, some structuring. I have a couple apps on my mind that are free that we'll use to like really start structuring our life out and not just using a Google Calendar. But yeah, that's really what is on the agenda for this 9 to 5 reset, weekly reset. So come along with me, girls. I really didn't want to rush it yesterday and try to get something half-assed out to y'all, so I'm really going to make sure today and this video is amazing. So let's go reset this life. All right, y'all, we're back. I need to pack up all these groceries. And guess what? My passport came. Yes, I already had one before. Please, I'm not that kind of American. I've been had one, but I had to renew it, and I did. And now let's see if the picture is cute. Hold on. They literally just sent me back my old one saying, thank you for your recent application. We're unable to process because no fees were received. I literally have, what the heck? Supporting documents. I'm so annoyed. What the hell? I don't even, when I did it online, I paid online. So then it's saying no fees received. Do I have to pay again? Like, look, I don't even care anymore. I'm so irritated. I'm finna put up these groceries and we'll come back. Okay, and just like that, I have me a couple meals. Just a couple. Actually, much more than just like that. Let me tell you, that took so long. I haven't meal prepped in so long. I just realized, like, I do that. Dishes clean. I still gotta put some stuff up. I'm a complainer, as you can see. But dinner is done. And I'm literally about to wrap up. We're gonna end this vlog with some skincare and just a good nightly routine just to wrap up this weekly reset. Okay, girls? Okay. It's been a day. It's been a day of emotions. Honestly, keep it a band, I'm on my period. So that coupled with, just a little bit of bad news. I got a little crazy today, but a quick skincare montage, update skincare routine to finish out the vlog. Because, well, how is a 9 to 5 curly gonna get her life together fully and get her week together fully if that face isn't taken care of? So as we can see, these are like my newest ones. Tearing up my face. Well, not tearing it up, but like clearly you can see it. I am kind of working on lightening it. Not that hard though. I need to go ahead and get a vitamin C. However, I'm going to move on to the skincare routine I already got. This is like my tretinoin night, so let's do it. I saw a lot of these products from, I wish I remember her name, but she's a dermatologist on TikTok, and she was talking about how she like incorporates moisture with her tretinoin in the winter months, and I said, girl, exactly, that's what I've been looking for. So we have some products. First of all, the Anua Rice 70 Plus Ceramides. It's a milky toner. I really enjoy her. The thing is, I don't know how much is working, but that coupled with everything else, my skin actually is not dry as much as it used to be, for sure. Like, I used to wake up dry and patchy here. The beginning of the day, all through the day, I will be like adding moisturizer. Definitely helpful. And then I have this La Roche-Posay Triple Repair Moisturizer. This wasn't a part of the ladies' routine. However, this is a really good thick moisturizer, so it's very helpful. And then I have this Cicaplast Gel B5. Really like this to just top it. You're gonna see as I put it on, but that's a good one too. And then the Anua Ceramide 3 Plus Panthenol. It's the moisture barrier cream too. It's like a lighter moisturizer, but it still does the job, if that makes any sense. It's still doing the job. And then obviously if this is a tretinoin night, then we have tretinoin. I have 0.05 tretinoin. As you can see, we're still doing good. And I also am using clindamycin. Clindamycin subscribed by my dermatologist. So step one, I'm going with the clindamycin all over the face. It's like a bacterial, like it's supposed to get rid of basically all the bacteria on the face. So I will just wipe it on my entire face. Gotta get the jawline. Yeah. Next step, rice toner. I just put it in my hand and tap it on my skin because that's what the lady on TikTok says she does. So literally just a little bit in my hand. And it does help with the waste of product. Like, tap it in. So my first layer of moisture. Let that sit for a little bit, and then we on to the next, which is Tret. Okay, tretinoin time. If you know, you know. You just need like a little dot for your entire face. And I'm doing this whole routine, if you don't know, because I have hormonal acne, and I am fighting against it. But honestly, it's been positive since I got on this routine. I also take these pills for it. I don't even remember the name honestly, but they all really work to block whatever hormone is really making my face want to pop out. And it usually happens around my period, but you know, cheeks, chin area, I sometimes get right here too. But other than this biggie and these, my skin has been doing very well. My skin's been doing very well. The dermatologist, like, she might have been on something. She might have been on something. Okay, and my next two steps are gonna be moisturizer and then the Cicaplast Gel skincare routine, because especially at the beginning, because my skin barrier, I told you I wasn't putting on no moisturizer, no tretinoin. I was just shredding away. And good night. Okay. So now that my skin feels better, I probably don't even need the Cicaplast, but I will add a little bit on top just because I'm used to it. I like to push my eyebrows up. Just gonna use it. And I don't really take too much time in between these steps because I'm lazy, and by the time I take time to do all the other steps, well, I'm ready to go do something else. I'm gonna put a little bit on this time. Usually I would put like a whole finger or 2 fingers, but I'm gonna make sure it's really in this area, because the bottom part of my face is really what we get dry. And around my nose. So yeah, there's that for the skincare into my hands. And then my final step, some good old Vaseline on the lids. I don't know why I did that, but honestly, that's it. Thank you so much for watching. If you made it this far, thank you for watching. Thank you for staying along. Hopefully, like this routine. If you got a vitamin C serum option, let me know, because she has to go. Like, they have to go. And yeah, see y'all next week. Bye.